Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's the Black Hannah, and today I'm going to give you guys 3 more lock styles that are super easy to do on short locks. And of course, my locks have gotten a good bit longer since the last lock video that I have done. And if you have shorter locks, I definitely suggest checking out that video. I think I did 10 different hairstyles and my locks were much shorter. I think they were at the bottom of my neck at that point in time. So definitely check that out if your locks are a little shorter. But still, the lock styles I'm going to show you are great lock styles that you can still do if your hair is shorter, my length, you know, when you're at this short lock phase. So boom, let's get into it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Right now, I think the last time I checked, and it's been, I don't remember how many days since my last video. It was last week though. But anyway, we're now at 195, I want to say. 196 out of 195 subscribers, y'all. I'm so excited. So thank you guys for the 195 of y'all that are here, because my last video, I think I said something like 178 or 170 something. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Let's get into this video. If you like it, please like, comment, rate, subscribe. Talk to me on Instagram. I talk back. Yeah, so let's get into this video. Okay, so for this first style, all I'm doing is tying my hair up. But what I like about this style is it's basically a little twist on your half up, half down. What you're doing is you're going to leave the front section out so that you can either A, have short front bangs if your hair is shorter, and if you have longer bangs, you can pull them to the right or the left, depending on what you want to do. And this is just a funky twist. And you can also, if your bangs are long enough, pin it to the side to give more of that, I don't know, preppy-ish look. And I just love this because you can pull the hairs out and make it a little funky and bigger in the back, or keep it down. And like I said, the best part is that you can flip the bang left to right and do exactly what you want. Really get the look that you're going for. So for this next style, what you're going to do is you're going to flat twist your locks, and it really doesn't even have to be this like super neat, because as you can see, mine aren't. The goal is to really just twist it in a backward motion, because what you're going to do is pull it up into a little bun. So don't even worry about how fancy it is. As y'all can see, I just twisted it, and then I hold it, and then I do the same to the other side. And then after that, that's when I put my bun up and I kind of play with it and see what I can do. And then you have the 2 flat twists going into a bun at the top of your head, which is super cute. And the best part about it is that you can throw in cute little stuff. You can put little clips on it, you can put little beads, and of course, you know, my favorite is to throw in some chopsticks. So yeah. And when you get the little bun at the top of your head, be mindful that it is supposed to be a messy bun. So all I do is I just spin my locks around the hair tie just to hide the hair tie as much as I can. But I don't really care about how the bun looks, since it's supposed to be messy anyway. So boom, that is the look. All right, you guys, so for this one, all you're gonna need is 2 rubber bands. And the reason I like to use rubber bands is because hair ties tend to look bulky or take some of that length away, or have the locks looking a little like standing in certain directions. So yeah, you're just gonna take 2 rubber bands and make 2 small pigtails on both sides of your head. And then key here is to do like a quadrant, like a little let's say a triangle or a square of the top of your head, as opposed to the whole half, because you still want to have the part hanging down. And all I do is I put my 2 little what's it called, locks hanging in the front, and then you have this cute little funky style that kind of reminds me of anime, but it's super cute. All right, so here all you're gonna need is 2 hair ties. The main one that's important here is this, like, I don't even know what it kind of hair tie it's called. This little like wrapped wire looking one. I forget what they're called, but these have been great for my locks. But basically what I'm doing is I'm using this to be the hair tie that gives it height for the style that we're about to do, which is a big bun. And the thing is, it is kind of hard to get bigger buns on shorter locks. And If you're gonna do this, I suggest you're gonna see me using another hair tie. Put the solid hair tie on first so you're not struggling like me to get around the other one. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the solid hair tie to be the anchor. The one that's like the wire, you're going to shift up. And as you guys can see, I'm pulling my little locks through. But yeah, you're gonna shift it up, and that's what's gonna give it its height. And then you're going to pull the locks downward and around that to create the height of the bun. Then you'll have a cute little tall bun that you can work with. And what I do is I just wrap my pieces around like I did with the other style. Wrap it, tuck, wrap it, tuck. Don't really care about how the back of it looks too much. I just make sure that nothing's hanging. I push around. Some people use pins. I don't really like to use pins. Another option is to use another hair tie and slide it right over the top as the anchor to do the bun. So that's, yeah, a total of 3 hair ties, but I promise you it doesn't feel like a lot. And then you'll do the same thing, spin and tuck, and then boom, you'll have a nice, cute, tall, high bun. And of course, as always, you can add in chopsticks to spice it up a little bit. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you like these styles and it gives you something new to try out. For my shorter lock girlies, if you have any questions on how to implement it, because I know my locks are a little bit longer than typical short locks, definitely drop them below and I'll let you know different ways that you can do this with shorter lengths or different maneuvers to do it. But I really hope you guys love this video. You know, like, comment, rate, subscribe, all that good shit. Thank you guys for watching and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.